Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom website shortcut icons on your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And to do this, let's open our Google Chrome, and I'm not sure if this is available for other browsers, so just in case I'll be opening Google Chrome. Now find whichever website you want to add as a shortcut icon. And here we want to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our browser and make sure that this website is opened all the time. And here scroll down and go for Add to Home Screen. You'll be able to rename your icon however you like. When it's ready, select Add, Add again, and then go back to the home screen. Here's the icon. When you click on it, it should open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.